Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can crochet this viral Mikasa inspired scarf. It's super easy and perfect for beginners, looks amazing with any winter outfit. So before we jump into the tutorial, I'm really excited to share that this video is sponsored by Crochet. Crochet is an online creative community where makers can learn everything from crochet, knitting, sewing, quilting, painting, cooking, baking and cake decorations too. They offer over 2000 easy to follow classes taught by industry experts. Crocheting has always been my favorite, so I have explored some advanced crochet classes too, tried different techniques like zigzag crochet patterns. I also got to know about this back loop technique for starting any crochet project, which gives smoother base. I have really enjoyed taking their knitting classes too and explored some basic techniques of knitting, especially how to create a strong base for starting any knitting project. I'll be uploading more knitting projects on my channel in the future as well. Crochet is always adding new classes, which keeps me inspired, and the first 1000 people watching this video to use my link in the description will get 1 year of premium membership to Crochet for only $1.49. So sign up today and start your dream project today. And let's start with the video. For this project, I'm using 6mm crochet hook and 100% acrylic chunky yarn, which is 4-ply. You can use any yarn of your choice. I have added a similar yarn link in the description box too. You can check it out. We'll start by making the scarf lengthwise, which means the foundation chain will decide how long your scarf will be. We'll be creating multiple rows of double crochet and it will be depend on the width you want. For this pattern, I'll be making double crochet stitches all across the width of the scarf. For the foundation chain, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this, insert the hook and gently pull through and make a slip knot like this. Now start making chain stitches for the length of the scarf. Also, please keep in mind, I'm just showing you a short demo piece and this is not my actual scarf. I'll be using the same yarn but working in the smaller size. The actual scarf you will see in the video later. I have made 200 chains for my length, but you can increase or decrease the numbers depending on your length. Once you're satisfied with the length, we'll work on the first row. So chain 2 and leave first 2 chains. Make double crochet into the third chain like this. Continue making double crochet stitches all the way across to the row and keep repeating it. For the second row, chain 2, turn your work and make a double crochet in the third stitch. Repeat double crochet stitches across the entire row. Continue repeating the same pattern for 7 to 8 rows. Depend on how much width you want. I'm just finishing my last row and this is my actual scarf. I have made total 8 rows of double crochet. You can increase or decrease, it's all depend on your width. I'm finishing it with scallop pattern. You can leave it simple or you can add fringes as well. For making scallop, chain 1 and skip the first double crochet stitch. Now make 4 double crochet in the next stitch. And skip one more stitch and make a slip knot in the next stitch. repeat the same pattern, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, make 4 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip one more stitch and make a slip knot in this next stitch. I have added only 3 scalp. You can adjust according to the size. Tie the extra yarn and cut it. Weave the extra ends and repeat scalp on the other sides too. And it's done. You can check my description for all the links you want. And thank you so much for watching this.